Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me and asked me a question. If you can make your own colors in the interactive fill tool. So I've made a box. I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to make another box by hitting the plus key on the keyboard and moving it over. Then I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to add a little purple to this red. See how it's getting darker? Then I'm going to take this box and I'm going to add a little yellow by holding down the control button and make it a little lighter. Then I'm going to take both these and go up to Effects and Blend, and I'm going to blend them just 10 times. I'm going to go to Object, Break, Blend Apart, but they're still in a group. So I'm going to go to Object and Group and Ungroup, and then you can have this color. So that's one way you can make a color. Now we can still change that with the Interactive Fill tool and get it like a gradient color. I'm going to just swipe up and I'm going to put yellow up top. But I could also take one of these colors and fill in change the color of the Interactive Fill tool colors. So we're going to take Interactive Fill tool, and we're going to add another red right in the middle. But we really want it to be this red. So you can click on it and go right here to this downward arrow and get your eyedropper, take a sample of that, and put it in that spot. Kind of hard to tell. Let me take that yellow away. Let me back, well, you can see that. Let me add another. I'm going to double click on the line and get another color. Then I'm going to get the eyedropper tool and take a sample. As soon as I take a sample, it puts it in that box. So you could make variations of that red. You know, you could move that down, double click. Let's make this one. So I'm going to take this and get the eyedropper. So they're all going to be about the same now. There's a little bit of variation in the center. So let's take a purple, put it in the center, and then let's double click another color, take the Interactive Fill tool, which we have, click left click, get the eyedropper and sample that, and now you got that red. So you could pretty much change up things and do whatever you want with different colors. Now the other way to do something like that is to take the Mesh Fill tool, and you could click on that color and bring in another color and make it round or make a elongated item just by clicking and dragging I'm having a little bit of trouble dragging that node. There we go. So now I've got that color, and I could take a yellow and put it right in the middle now, and it's going to all be yellow. And you could change around these nodes. I've never really experimented with this too much, but you could do some really weird stuff. And then you could drag that over. You could actually change the color of that to a blue. And you could get some really, and then when you unclick it, you could get some really unusual colors. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.